Hello everybody. This is I'm going to do a quick video just sort of help you get started in trading really. So I'll just introduce myself. My name is Ryan Carruthers. I'm a professional trader. I've been trading since probably about 2009, 2008 now. It's quite a while, a few good few years. I do all my trading on Betfair. You saw the images earlier, and they are through a software which is going to be totally alien to you at the moment. But you know, as you progress into your trading, you do need software, and but you can talk about that later on. So initially, you're going to be using the website Betfair. So I've put a link in the bottom. You can just sign up. You need the exchange, and I'm just going to show you basically how to do a quick little trade. I'm not going to do this trade myself because I haven't researched the game, but on the forum we spoke earlier about potentially doing this trade. So I'm going to go to the Chelsea versus Atletico Madrid game on here, and we spoke about the overs and unders market. So basically the blue figures here are your odds, and they're all in decimals. So the blue one is that you're backing it, so it is going to happen, and the pink one is you're laying it, so it's not going to happen. So we spoke about doing the Chelsea Atletico Madrid under 2.5 goals trade. So if you was to do this, the way it would work is you would back it at 1.56. So we're going to back that for say £100, and then we're looking to lay that in play for less money. So if there's no goals in the first 15 minutes, this will drop quite considerably. I could imagine it being to at least 1.40. So if you look at the minute, if it's over 2.5 goals, we're going to lose £100. If it's under 2.5 goals, we're going to make £56. It's not exactly what we want as traders. We're after both of those outcomes being covered. So now the game's kicked off. We backed at 1.56. It's gone in play about 15-20 minutes. It's at 1.4. There's been no goal. It's 0-0. What you can do here is lay it lower than what you backed it at. So if you do it for £100, you've got £16 if it's under, or 0 if it's over. So there, no risk at all. If you play around with your stakes, you can see there, if you do £111, you've got £11 profit no matter what happens. So that's literally all you need to do. I'll just do that again. So you come to the market that you want to trade. We're backing on this game the under 2.5 goals for £100, and then we're going to go in play and we're going to lay it. Those odds will automatically start dropping down as you go in play. We're going to do it for 111 and guarantee a profit over the market. So that's all basically that trading is. If anybody wants any help or any assistance, there is my email address below as well. So if you email me, I'll definitely get back to you. I also have a website which is dedicated to trading. On there I have some mentoring, which is a donation, and that has lots of different strategies for different markets, because you can trade pretty much every single one of these markets in different ways, and you can trade on all of these sports: football, horse racing, cricket, tennis. They're the big ones. But I'll just show you that some of the sort of opportunities with the sports. A lot of trading's all about price movement in play. So if you look at this graph here, this is what's happened. They've started just over 2, they've come all the way into 1.2, a massive drift out to 3.2, and then they come back in again. Now you can get in at various points and out and make really good profits consistently and across the market. So my mentoring teaches how to do that. I also have a email service where I'll email out football trades in the morning, and then you just literally come to the football, find the game, and set the initial trade up, and then trade out a bit later on. I can also give a calculator which works out the stakes to get it perfect. Now, because you're all members of the Football Accumulator forum, what we'll do is, if anybody signs up for the mentoring, which is £10 one-off payment, I'll give you a month free of the football trades just to get you started. That comes with unlimited help as well. So if you want to add me on Skype or send me as many emails as you want or Facebook messages, that is not a problem. And don't worry about whether you think the questions are silly or not. I've literally heard them all, and most of the time I've thought them myself when I first started trading. So don't worry about it. Just ask. That's the only way we learn, isn't it? It's the only way I learn, and now I'm here to help. So if you want the strategies and a month for free, then that's going to be just one-off payment of £10, and then I'll get you started on trading and get you making some good consistent money. You can make a full-time living off this. I do, and I do very well from it. So if there's any more questions, drop me an email. So just to recap then, what you need is a Betfair account, and there's a link below, and get trading.